You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do.
For attention, please.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Louis makes flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grabbed the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is pretty shooting. I think I will let you tell the world. Hold that landing. Things are getting hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look, we did not die. Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chew is right. If we leave them back, they may find the resistance. Only 3 left. Did it. Watch out. Oh, that's going to work. Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that feels rough. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All right, scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing, but keep looking. The last thing I want is to let your hallucinate. Time for you to go.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
So I hope you all enjoyed that quick little video. I thought it came out good, at least filming it and watching it through the little lens. I was too busy trying to save my ship. Before I got on, everyone, this was their first time on it. I was the only returning veteran. So I understood what to do, and the guy told me specifically, make sure you don't crash. And because of me, we didn't. Me and Ashley last time, we combined for 28% as pilots. This time around, I scored an 85 as an engineer. On her ship, since we did single rider, she scored a perfect 100%, saving her ship as well. So we both did excellent. We both had a lot of fun. Just do single rider. We waited about 20 minutes and we were right after each other. So it wasn't like we were separated for a really long time. But I hope you all enjoyed that video. We are off to Tomorrowland. We gotta hop on Hyperspace and our day's just getting started. It's only about 11.
Hold on. We have a breaking news. There are new ears and I need to find them.
Breaking news, new ears, and we're gonna go find them. Great. Can't you see how excited I am? I'm overjoyed. I'm floored. But let's go hit Hyperspace first. Oh, we're gonna go to Vanity? Prefer me called Gus?
So, I'm gonna see after
Universal is when Back to the Future was still there. You have good style.
Aaron!
Oh, yeah.
Marin!
Well, I mean, I'm the kids.
They just came out today.
These are the ears that Ashley made me book it down Main Street. We couldn't even go to Hyperspace. She's just like, nope, we're going Main Street. Got to get them before they sell out. They only have
3 rows.
3 rows of them,
Whoa.
and that's it. Well, that we can see. But here they are. Ash, you want to flip them around? Show the other side. I like the back side. But here are the ears. They just came out literally this morning. And
They have all the hitchhiking stuff.
and oh, there you go. And now I'm tired from literally running down Main Street.
Wow.
Since we just got off of Space Mountain, and yes, of course, I did not film because it would just be nothing on a screen. I have a question for all of you. What is your favorite Tomorrowland attraction? And I'm gonna make this especially hard. You are not allowed to pick Space Mountain or Hyperspace or Ghost Galaxy. None of those. Nothing to do with Space Mountain. So basically your answers are, your options, Star Tours, Buzz, Astro Orbiter, Autopia, and the Nemo submarines. Which one is your favorite? And I'm making this hard because I know most of us would probably pick Space Mountain. So since we're on the topic of questions and favorites, what is your favorite scene inside of Star Tours? Ashley's is the scene that has Jar Jar Binks, and mine is Hoth when you are sliding down the icy mountain. So leave your comment down below as to what your favorite scene of Star Tours is.
Don't make me come after you. Because I will. Keep it moving. Let's keep it tight. Alright, stay together, humans. Whoa, not too close. Okay, closer than that. Closer. And not that close. Attention, if you're going to Alderaan today, you're not. All flights to Alderaan have been canceled. Please see a gate attendant for rebooking. I'm sure everything is fine. I've seen you before. Sure. Good to see you again. I'm programmed to see you. Keep moving. Keep your party together, unless you're not crazy about your party, and then feel free to take separate flights. No. Good. Keep it moving. Keep it moving, one step in front of the other. Next job now. Move along. Nicely done. You've done this before, haven't you? You people seem to know what you're doing. Almost like you've been doing it all day long.
So after riding Star Tours, I had to change my answer. We got two that we haven't gotten in a very, very long time, and that was the pod racers on Tatooine, followed by Boba Fett chasing the Star Tours Star Speeder. Those are my two favorite scenes. They're a perfect combination. They were wonderful, and Ashley's gonna whap me with the lightsaber. But I thought I'd share. Those are definitely my two favorite. And will you knock it off? So we're chilling in some AC, trying to figure out what to do, what we want to do. We have about an hour and a half until lunch. And I get a kick out of this. Granted, this one is still just generic 2019 landing, but they have, where is it? No, not that one. This one. Where, she got it? They still have the May 31st, 2019 ones.
Did we ever get this one or no?
We didn't get this one, but no, we have the AP one. But yeah, they still have May 31st landing shirts. I like this one though.